guys, so I am sitting in this chair. It's been a minute. I used to love sitting in this chair and chatting about some books, but it's been storage. Yes, I actually turned this chair in storage where I had all these sewing things that were just sitting on here, and I don't think I sit on this chair in over a year now. It's that bad, yeah. But I cleaned up today, guys. I'm so proud of myself. The loft is clean and organized, and there's rooms, and it's not bothering me. So I'm hoping to keep it this way for November. So I wanted to just enter November in a clean space, in an organized space, because November is a lot going on for me. And let's start with a journal mood. So if you're new to my channel, a journal mood is something that I started 4 years ago, November 1st, 2019. It is a journal challenge. It's 30 days of writing a journal using the word prompt. So for the word prompt, the calendar's out. The calendar's on my Instagram, or you can head over to my blog and the calendar will be on there. And these are the words that you're going to use each day to write in your journal. So how we make it interesting and how we make it where it motivates you to keep pushing is share you writing in your journal. So you do not have to share what you write, but just share that you're writing in it. A small video. Typically people post it on Instagram, or I've had quite a few people do it on YouTube as well. You have YouTube shorts, so you definitely can do YouTube shorts and add it on there, as well as any other platform you want to do. TikTok, I know there's a few people that have done it there as well. Just use the hashtag a journal mood whenever you post, so I can see it. I also do, especially for the anniversary, tend to have a giveaway, and this is how you get eligible for it if I see that you were doing it. One thing about it also is, if you see this late, jump in. If you are one of those people that tend to be strong in the beginning, fall off a little in the middle, jump back in. It is something that I motivate you to do 30 days, but if you struggle to do 30 days, that is okay, as long as you are doing some of this and you are using some of these words every day. The journaling is intended to be a healing process. It's intended to be something that will help you daily to reflect on your life, to reflect on your moment, to reflect on now or even the past. And I find that when you use word prompt, it's wide, so you could talk about anything, and you can have those happy moments you want to focus on. This one, we used a theme this time around. The theme was winning or overcoming something in the last 4 years, to celebrate the 4-year anniversary, and to use that those words to think about the past, but also think about even the future of where you want things to be and how you want to get there. Because journaling you can use for different things. You can talk about it in terms of remember, keep it. You can use it as plan. You can use it as steps of things that you need to improve, or things that you're proud of, things that you're happy about, and you really want to focus on that as well, and things like that. So I feel like with so much negative things that's happening, it's easy to get sucked in with all that and not think about anything that's positive or anything that can put a smile on your face or make you think of something good, because we need to still hold on to things that are good in our lives, and no matter how difficult it is to think like that, but we can and we will. So with that, join me, let me know. So if you intend on doing a journal mood with me, you're thinking about it, leave a little heart in the comments so I know you're thinking about doing it. If you are not a social media person, there's nothing wrong with that. I've had several people who are not social media person, and they do the challenge every year, and they let me know that they're doing it, and that's okay too. This is not about being on social media. It's about using this word for you, using the word for your self-care, and that's all I want. That's all I want. So anyway, now let's talk about the second thing. Now, I wasn't sure about this NaNoWriMo this year because I did not write this year. This was not a writing year for me. I only wrote in my journal. I did read, I did wrote a lot of things, but I did not did any writing outside of my journal in terms of blogs. My blogs were very minimum this year. and I miss it, and I start writing, and then I'll just shelf it. It was just sitting on a disk somewhere on my computer. So I thought this time around I was gonna do it, but then something happened to me last week that shook me to my core. And as I thought about it, and as me trying not to get back into that negative space of feeling down, I had the inspiration, and I said, I need to write. I need to have something that's going to keep me super busy and also motivate me to think and to write and to focus on other things than that event. So I'm going to do NaNoWriMo. I already have a title. I am not big on outline, because outline always never go how I want, because I always fall off the you know, I'm on this path and I always fall off. So I use outline in terms of getting the character's name, getting the location, getting the age, getting somewhat of a how we start and how we want to end, because the middle is where it becomes more complicated. But if I could figure out how I want to start the story but also how I want to end it, then it works out for me. So I still have another day to really sit down and finish out my outline of those particular things I want to do, and we're gonna do it. So this year I think I might not do a lot of long videos like I always do Tuesdays and have a long like a week video of how my progress is. I think I might do more shorts of the progress, but it will be maybe twice a week, have like a progress on how I'm doing and just make it into shorts. And I think that might work for me for NaNoWriMo this year. That's the goal. See how that works. And then I am going to still stick to some sewing project. Now, how do I do sewing project with all this going on? I use timer. I will commit to sewing 1 hour for the day. That's just how I've been doing it. I did that last year, and I just set a timer, literally 1 hour. So timer 1 hour's up. That's it. Head back to writing or reading a couple of chapters of a book or whatever I'm reading. So I have 3 projects. One top is already cut out. I have a pants I want to cut out tonight, and then I have a jacket I want to work on as well. The jacket might be a little longer, but I think this particular jacket says easy, and it's a basic jacket, and I want to do a basic jacket first with this particular thing, because I'm trying to get used to doing jackets. And I made one in October, which I still love, but I'm scared of lining still, because lining almost was a death of me when I did it the other time with my jacket, even though I love it. So but I still want to get used to it and do better and learn really tricks on how to line these jackets, because the frame itself, I have no problem of sewing that. It's just the lining, to me, I have no idea why I can't grasp it like the way I want. I just find things to complain about when I look at it. Like, I could have done this, I could have done that. I want to get it where it's just easy and it's not going to be so much time consuming. I feel like the lining took me longer than the damn jacket. So that's me. That's the sewing me complaining, but we're going to get it together. Now, as far as the books go, so I definitely want to do the whole nonfiction situation. One of the reasons that I tend to read differently in November is because I tend to use books that are not, I tend to read books that are not close to what I'm writing. So I write a lot of Caribbean romance. That's my jam. Caribbean love story. And oftentimes my Caribbean stories are family oriented. Like there's some form of conflict with family for some reason. That's my jam. That's why I like family drama. But romance is in it, one way or the other. And what I liked is I tend to not want to read books that are romance or big books that anywhere related to what I'm writing about. I want to keep my mind really focused on romance, but my romance and not another, author's work. So I stay away from romance in November. But nonfiction, my jam. So we're going to get to How to Save Babylon, Sophia Sinclair, and Sophia Sinclair, sorry. I always feel like I've seen 2 different pronunciations for her name, but I met her when her book was released. Her book came out, I think, October 3rd, whatever that Tuesday was. I did go see her. This is a signed copy, and I also got pictures taken with her. And I was excited, and I wanted to save this for November. I feel like November is just the perfect month to read this. And so far, everyone that's read it that I follow love it, and he's given this praise, so I am here for it. And this is her life, and growing up into a Rasta family, and things that happened with her father and her mother, and how that affected her, and how her life changed since I guess she's no longer living in Jamaica, and also with that religious background. I don't know, that's what I'm assuming, but I don't know. I'm gonna read it and find out. I'm gonna tell y'all. Yeah. Then we got Jeezy. It just came in the mail. I just want to get into this because I mean Jeezy's mixed up with some stuff. I want to know why you did it like that, Jeezy. So we're gonna pick his brain and see. It is short, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. Not as far as novel, I have two Booker, which is The Prophet and Obedience something. I don't remember the other book, and that will finish all, guys. I did finish that Chunky the Beast thing. I'm ready for the other two. I'm ready for the other two. Yeah, I gotta see my wrap up when I talk about this book. I really felt like I should just give this book needed like its own video, so I'm tempted to still do a short video of just the book, because yeah. But anyway, the Booker will be done because I think the winner is announced on the 26th. I think it's the Sunday after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to finish all of them and give you my opinion. You know, I like to give you my prediction and what my favorite books are, yada yada yada. And y'all know I already feel about, that book was something else. And then I'm gonna read Ruthless. Now, comments were made when I showed this book mail in the last video, and yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm hearing chatters. So I'm going into this blind. I kind of like glad, because after Beast thing, I'm love that I went into that blind too. I just knew it was a family saga. That's all I knew. But woo, I'm here for it. So I'm feeling a little better about the books lately that I've been picking up. This has been interesting. So I can't wait to like even December, just to get down to start working on some Vlogmas videos and certain categories I want to talk about. I'm excited, guys. So let me know, what's your plan for November? What are you looking forward to doing? Or you looking forward to like Thanksgiving coming up and being with family, all that jazz? Let me know. I am here for it. See you guys, and again, check out my full length and my shorts. I'm still doing them, and I'm enjoying myself, guys. I'm enjoying myself despite a real crappy week that might get worse. That's just how I'm taking it, and I have to be in a good spirit about it, because it is what it is. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys, and let me know. AJournalMood. All right, guys, bye.